We all know that an optimized IT maintenance strategy is crucial for keeping your operations running smoothly. But here's the kicker. Not all TPM or multi-vendor support providers are willing to work alongside your OEM VARs, and that's exactly what you need in order to have a truly optimized maintenance strategy. So ask yourself, does my TPM provider offer multi-vendor and multi-platform support? And we're not just talking about the big names here. Do they cover both the massive and the niche OEMs? Because let's face it, we all have that one piece of equipment from a lesser known brand that needs attention too. What about your older equipment that's rolling off OEM support? Does your TPM have your estate list organized in such a way that no important support date will be missed? The only way to ensure this seamless coverage is if your TPM provider works hand in hand with your VAR to ensure there's no lapse in coverage as OEM support phases out. Last thing you'll want to make sure you know, can you easily keep track of all of your maintenance contracts, whether they're OEM or TPM contracts, with a real-time dashboard? Because let's be honest, no one has time for sifting through endless Excel documents trying to figure out what their renewal includes and when it's coming due. So when it comes to choosing a multi-vendor support provider, don't settle for clunky, fragmented contracts. With OneCall, you'll have a team of people that you know by name and with whom you have direct access. Our team will seamlessly manage and partner with your OEM VARs. Curious to learn more? Hit us up at hello@pivotglobal.com or click the link below.